Hey there, welcome back to Money Root, the channel where we break down money-making secrets in the digital age. Today we're diving into one of the most underestimated yet powerful platforms Gen Zs are using to make serious money: Telegram. Yes, Telegram. While many see it as just a messaging app for group chats and channels, Gen Zs around the world are quietly turning it into a goldmine. There's a parallel economy growing inside it, and it's real. From faceless ebook empires to Telegram bots selling AI prompts, from dropshipping sneaker deals to selling viral gossip content, this new class of digital entrepreneurs is rewriting the playbook. They don't need followers, they don't need brands, they don't even need their real name. If you're Gen Z or just curious about how this new generation is flipping the script on traditional income, you're going to want to watch this till the end. Let's get into it. Let's start with the low-cost, high-profit machine that's quietly building passive income for Gen Z creators across Africa, Asia, and even Europe. Faceless ebook empires. Here's how it works. First, the creator doesn't even write the ebook themselves. They use tools like ChatGPT to generate entire guides. Topics include how to start crypto trading in Nigeria, 50 passive income ideas you can start with your phone, the ultimate guide to manifesting wealth, how to text girls, Telegram flirting edition. Once the content is ready, they move to design. Canva is their weapon of choice. Simple, aesthetic covers, professional layouts, all done within hours. Then comes the funnel, the Telegram channel. But they don't just dump links, they create a story-driven brand. Every post builds anticipation. They share screenshots from readers, testimonials, real or fake, motivational quotes, snippets of the ebook, limited time offers, and scarcity tactics like only 50 copies left at 2,500 Naira. To drive traffic, they comment under trending TikTok videos, infiltrate Reddit forums, join WhatsApp and Facebook groups, even run micro ads targeting students and 9-to-5 workers. And here's where it gets really smart. Monetization is layered. They sell the ebook first, sure. But inside the book are affiliate links to trading platforms, app referrals, Amazon lists, and even Telegram bots. This means every download is a long-term money machine. Some also upsell premium coaching, private groups, or even other ebooks in a bundle. The startup cost? 0. The income potential? Thousands per month, all run anonymously behind Telegram. If 2024 taught us anything, it's this. AI is booming, but not everyone can afford or access the best tools, and that's where Gen Zs saw an opportunity. Telegram has now become the black market for AI access, but it's not illegal. It's just incredibly clever. Here's the model. One tech-savvy user buys a ChatGPT Plus subscription. They then build a basic Telegram bot using free Python scripts that lets users access the AI with limited prompts. You join the bot. It says, "You have 5 free prompts today. Want unlimited? Pay $10. People pay. Why? Because they don't want to create accounts, verify emails, or pay in dollars. They just want access. And Telegram gives them that. Now multiply this. Some run bots for Midjourney, AI art, Leonardo, product mockups, Grammarly Pro accounts, resume generators, AI girlfriend chatbots. Others go old school. They create resource groups where you pay 3,000 Naira or $5 to access folders full of AI prompts, marketing templates, freelance gig replies, resume bundles, and more. One Gen Z from Ghana made over $4,000 in 6 months running a prompt plug Telegram group. All he did was gather ChatGPT and Claude prompts from Reddit, bundle them, and sell access. And they take payments through crypto, airtime to cash, Chipper Cash, Cash App, and local fintech. It's simple economics. Own access, charge for entry. Here's where the line between smart and shady starts to blur. You've probably heard of signal groups, those VIP channels where gurus drop daily crypto or Forex trade calls. What you may not know is that many of these admins aren't traders at all. Let me break it down. A young Gen Z finds a reliable paid signal provider, maybe from Telegram, maybe from a Russian trading forum. They pay for access. Then they rebrand those signals as their own and create a VIP channel. Entry to the VIP group is $30 per month. But here's the kicker. The admin also signs up as an introducing broker, IB, with Deriv, Quotex, or Exness. So every time their members lose trades, the admin makes a commission. That's right. The more you lose, the more they earn. Some even run multiple Telegram groups under different names to split their branding and test different prices. Others run fake testimonial accounts to build social proof. One guy from South Africa ran 3 separate signal groups using different voices, and nobody noticed. But it's not all shady. Some actually partner with legit analysts and split the profit. They automate trades, run live sessions on Zoom, and even drop psychology videos to keep subscribers engaged. The model is simple. Get people in, keep them hyped, monetize via subscription plus broker deals. And guess what? Many make their first $10,000 before age 22. This one's blowing up in places like Nigeria, India, Ghana, and even the Philippines. Welcome to the era of Telegram plug groups. The name plug used to mean someone who sold sneakers or phones in person. Now it's digital. On Telegram, plug groups act like mobile e-commerce markets. A Gen Z hustler sources products, mostly from Chinese sites like 1688 or Alibaba. They download clean photos, make a price list, and post everything in a group. But it doesn't stop there. Some go further. They run product drops every Friday. Others take custom orders, promising delivery in 10 to 14 days. They build trust with delivery proof, customer reviews, and a personal tone. To scale, they open affiliate spots. Anyone can resell their products and earn a cut. So one plug group becomes 20 resale groups overnight. Many never touch the products. Orders go straight from the supplier to the customer. Telegram handles the communication. Instagram or WhatsApp helps with the reach. Some plug groups even add digital plug layers, selling Canva templates, design services, or how to start your plug business guides. And for monetization, they charge access fee to the plug group premium vendor listing fees, affiliate commissions, sponsored posts inside their groups. It's Telegram hustle perfected. This final part? It's for the creatives, the storytellers, the keyboard warriors. Welcome to the world of paid gossip and story-selling groups. Telegram has become a thriving base for story monetization, especially among young creators who can't monetize on YouTube or Instagram. Here's how they do it. A creator posts a short viral story on X, formerly Twitter, or TikTok, something spicy, dramatic, or controversial. At the end, they drop this line: "Full story in my Telegram group, link in bio." That link takes you to a channel with teaser posts and an invite to join the VIP group, usually 2,000 Naira or $3 a month. Inside, they drop confession stories, expose threads, relationship drama, crazy dating screenshots, sometimes real, sometimes fiction. People eat it up, and they stay. Why? Because Telegram gives privacy. People don't get judged. They comment freely. They vent. They relate. Some creators grow this into a mini media brand, charging for ads, selling how to write viral stories guides, or opening a second paid group for uncensored content. Others evolve into relationship consultants or niche content creators, all starting from raw storytelling. The digital gossip economy is alive, and Telegram is the stage. So what do all these Telegram hustles have in common? They're low-cost, high-margin, anonymous, and scalable. No office, no branding agency, no massive startup funds, just creativity, tech tools, and the will to monetize digital traffic. And that's what makes Telegram so powerful for Gen Z. It's not about flexing. It's about surviving and thriving in a world where job security is shaky and algorithms keep changing. If you're watching this and wondering where to start, remember, pick one hustle, build your channel, tell your story, sell something valuable. Telegram isn't just an app anymore. For Gen Z, it's the new underground, and some of the next digital millionaires are already there, quietly cashing out. Which of these hustles would you try? Let me know in the comments, and if you want us to break down how to start your own Telegram money machine, from setup to scaling, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We're dropping new money route blueprints every single week. Your Telegram bag is waiting.